Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you, teacher. Nice to meet you, colleagues. My name is Dania Flores. I am from Trujillo, Colón, and I am 23 years old. I really like go to the beach with friends. I like to take photos. I like to visit new places. I like to cook, dance, listen to music, and to watch series of scary movies on Netflix. I love all of seafood. I don't like rice and beans. I don't like a lot of noise around me. I enjoy spending time with my family during this quarantine time. I really like to exercise on the gym to keep my body healthy. At the beginning, I want to study medicine, but I didn't pass the exam, so then I took the career of foreign languages. Because since I was a child, I heard it when my family worked with North American missionaries, and since then I liked English. Actually, I speak Garifuna and Portuguese. During my experience, I took French classes, but it was difficult to pronounce it than English. But it was a great experience. It has a beautiful story of the languages. When I graduate, I want to take my master's degree in other country to continue learning more languages because I want to be a polyglot woman because I like study and learn different languages. After that, I want to return back to my country to teach all of the knowledge that I have learned during my training as a professional. I hope to be a great student and partner. I want to improve my English. I want to do my best every day, take advantage of the time to learn new vocabulary and develop my English more without fear of making mistake. And I hope to have a great experience with my teacher and with my colleagues. Thank you.